पाकिस्तान ने एक बार फिर कतर पर इसराइली हमलों के खिलाफ कतर की क़यादत और अवाम के साथ शाना बशाना खड़े रहने का आज़म दोहराया है। तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा ने कहा है कि वज़ीर आज़म ने अमीर कतर से मुलाकात करके पाकिस्तान की जानिब से सख्त मज़म्मत का पैगाम पहुँचाया।
Pakistan will continue to stand shoulder to shoulder with the brotherly people and the leadership of Qatar in defense of their national sovereignty and security. The Prime Minister held a very warm and cordial meeting with the Amir of Qatar. The Prime Minister conveyed Pakistan's strongest condemnation of the Israeli attack on Doha on September 9th, terming it a blatant and flagrant violation of Qatar's sovereignty and territorial integrity. He said that the leadership and people of Pakistan were deeply disturbed by this attack against the brotherly state of Qatar that constituted a serious breach of international law.